located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge to 9 nautical miles west of Alexandria to 10 nautical miles northwest of Quantico, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Strong thunderstorms will be near Mail, Shadyside, Deal, and Highland Beach around 3:45 p.m. Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, and Sandy Point State Park around 3:50 p.m. Mattapique and Bloody Point Light around 3:55 p.m. Butler Island and Roman Cove around 4 p.m. Parsons Island and Eastern Bay around 4:05 p.m. Miles River around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Roman Cove to Highland Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the official